outer space, a fascinating, boundless, and mysterious place. It stretches across unimaginable distances, hiding both extraordinary beauty and unimaginable dangers. What we know about it is only the tip of an iceberg, while the rest remains submerged in the dark, waiting to be discovered. In this journey, we will dive into the secrets of the cosmic iceberg, from planets familiar to us, through phenomena that defy imagination, to mysteries that may forever change the way we see the universe. We begin with the 8 planets of the solar system. Our cosmic neighborhood. Closest to the Sun orbits tiny Mercury, scorched by heat on one side and freezing on the other. Venus follows, a world similar in size to Earth, but suffocated by a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide, a true greenhouse hell. Then there is Earth, our home, the only known oasis of life. Next comes Mars, the red planet, a place of dust storms, volcanoes, and frozen water. Beyond lie the giants, Jupiter with its raging storms, Saturn with its majestic rings, Uranus spinning on its side, and Neptune, whose deep blue hides unimaginable winds. Each of these worlds is a unique laboratory of nature, together forming the foundation of our knowledge about the solar system. At the very center of this system burns the Sun, a titanic sphere of plasma. In its core, nuclear fusion converts hydrogen into helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy. This light and heat make life possible on Earth, while the Sun's gravity binds the planets into orbits, maintaining cosmic order. But one day, even the Sun will exhaust its fuel. Billions of years from now, it will swell into a red giant, engulfing the inner planets, and then fade into a white dwarf, the last heartbeat of our star. Space itself is a place unlike anything on Earth. It is a near-perfect vacuum, with no air, no atmosphere, no sound. Silence reigns there, for sound waves need a medium to travel. Astronauts can survive only thanks to specialized suits and spacecraft, fragile bubbles of life in the endless void. Orbiting Earth is our natural companion, the Moon. Though it seems so familiar, it remains full of secrets. It stabilizes our planet's tilt, controls ocean tides, and influences the rhythm of life. Its surface, lacking an atmosphere, is a world of extremes, searing heat by day, bitter cold by night. Its weaker gravity allows humans to leap with ease, as Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin proved during the Apollo 11 mission in 1969. That moment when Armstrong set foot on the lunar surface and spoke his legendary words became a symbol of human courage and curiosity, showing that we can reach beyond the boundaries of our world. But the story of space exploration began even earlier. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit Earth, spending 108 minutes aboard Vostok 1. His smile and words, Poyekali, marked the dawn of the space age and the triumph of human determination. Soon after, the race for the Moon began, spurred by President John F. Kennedy's bold declaration that humanity would set foot on the lunar surface before the decade was out. Over the years, technology has advanced. For 3 decades, the Space Shuttle carried astronauts and cargo into orbit, building the International Space Station and servicing the Hubble Space Telescope. The ISS itself became a symbol of global cooperation, a laboratory orbiting just 400 kilometers above Earth, circling our planet every 90 minutes. In its modules, astronauts conduct experiments in biology, medicine, and physics, discovering how life and matter behave in microgravity. It is one of the greatest achievements of humankind, a research outpost built not by one nation, but by many. Yet the universe is not only a place of progress, it is also full of dangers. Asteroids and comets, some several kilometers wide, occasionally cross Earth's path. A collision with one of them could have catastrophic consequences. That is why astronomers scan the sky for potentially hazardous objects, developing strategies to deflect or destroy them. The DART mission, which altered the orbit of an asteroid in 2022, was a small step toward defending our planet from cosmic threats. Mars, on the other hand, attracts us not with danger, but with hope. The Curiosity rover, exploring its surface since 2012, has discovered traces of ancient water and organic molecules, ingredients of life. Could Mars once have hosted microorganisms? Could it still? And beyond Mars, the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, Europa and Enceladus, may hide oceans beneath their frozen crusts, warmed by internal heat. They are among the most promising places in our search for extraterrestrial life. Beyond our solar system, telescopes discover thousands of exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant stars. Some lie in the so-called habitable zone, where conditions could allow liquid water. Could there be another Earth out there? Another civilization looking up at their sky, wondering if they are alone? In 1977, a strong radio signal, later known as the WOW signal, gave us a brief spark of hope. It is never repeated, and its origin remains a mystery. Was it a coincidence, or a whisper from the stars? The further we go, the stranger the universe becomes. Black holes, formed from collapsing stars, possess gravity so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Some drift through space like cosmic predators. Others, millions of times the mass of our sun, anchor entire galaxies. Around them, time and space warp, challenging our understanding of reality. Even more enigmatic is dark matter, invisible yet holding galaxies together, and dark energy, driving the accelerated expansion of the cosmos. At the dawn of everything stands the Big Bang. 13.8 billion years ago, from a single dense singularity, the universe expanded, giving birth to matter, stars, and galaxies. The faint afterglow of that event, the cosmic microwave background, still surrounds us, a silent echo of creation. But mysteries remain. What is the great attractor pulling galaxies with immense force? What causes gamma-ray bursts, the most powerful explosions in the universe? Are we living in a cosmic simulation, as some philosophers suggest? And then there are the myths and conspiracies. Tales of the Black Knight satellite, an alleged alien object orbiting Earth, continue to fascinate, though science offers no proof. Stories like these remind us that space is not only about equations and data, but also about imagination, dreams, and sometimes fears. Finally, the future. Visionaries like Elon Musk aim to make spaceflight accessible and dream of colonizing Mars. SpaceX has already proven the power of reusable rockets, lowering the cost of reaching orbit. Others imagine even more ambitious journeys to distant stars, using technologies not yet invented. Our place in the universe is fragile. Solar storms, asteroid impacts, supernova, or the slow death of the sun all remind us that our existence depends on forces far greater than us. But at the same time, space offers inspiration, pushing us to explore, to discover, to ask questions. The cosmic iceberg is vast. What we see is only a fragment. Beneath the surface lies an infinity of mysteries, undiscovered worlds, unexplained phenomena, and questions about who we are, where we came from, and whether we are truly alone. The journey has just begun.